The top stories. Winter session of 11 Manipur Legislative Assembly introduces 2 bills. The state government making best possible efforts for better infrastructure in state, says Minister Bishwajit. And local clubs play important role in shaping good society, says Health Minister L Jayantakumar. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj giving you the news. Now the news in detail. The 6th winter session of the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly began today. On the first day of the session, Chief Minister N. Biren, who is also the leader of the House, and Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar introduced Manipur Protection for More Violence Bill 2018 and Manipur Goods and Services Tax Amendment Bill 2018 to the House and was approved by the House unanimously. The members of the House offered their condolences to the former Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, former Governor of Manipur, Sivinder Singh Sidhu, and ex-member of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Phunzathang Tonsing. Calling attention motion moved by the MLA of Khangabog Assembly constituency or Suraj Kumar stated that around 20 people have died and 100 people were injured in road mishaps on the Imphal-More road this year. The Imphal-More road is not only the Trans-Asian highway but also a significant road in India. However, it may be noted that the construction work is not done yet. Replying to the calling attention, Works Minister T.S. Bishwajit said the government is trying its best to construct better roads in the state as a country develops only when there is good infrastructure. National Highway Infrastructure Development Agency is working on the 15-kilometer road widening along the National Highway 102. 5 kilometers have been completed so far. The agency has set the goal to finish the remaining work by the given time. The work began in November and still in progress. The Works Minister has also given strict instructions to the agency to complete the road widening work at the earliest. Health Minister L Jayantakumar has said that local clubs have big responsibilities in shaping a good society. They have been taking great responsibility in the field of social, cultural, sports, health and other fields. So we must conserve them. Speaking at the foundation stone laying ceremony of the Kaisampat Sega Road Welfare Club building, the minister further said that clubs not only work for sports but also help in discussing about the welfare and development of the localities. He also appealed to make a prosperous society without wasting time, choosing wrong path or abusing drugs. He expressed his desire to include more sports, reading and other activities to add more value to these clubs.
Club in high target. Like I do me, Mama Madu present over Matu body, money, I in the Kangjabada. The Hari body is any grievance, but not only sports lam Kagnatavada. Chimnagi sports lam do, any development, sports lam do, cultural program do, Adina Tragana, Laila Sugilam do, Natakana, any health sector do. Iram Gudim Karigumba Kalgi, like I am, Kunayama, see Masang, money qualities Agatari. Sakura and say habitat club could also assume the chow. The Kanagana Gumna Club, Haraga Football Sanama Katama Club near Haifa, Polo Sanama Katan Club, Habitat Kunto, but Matugido, Aran, Bamakil Katsepne, the Madudi Chimdagi, a big bite team, Amakakiwadani. The club in the habitat are getting Matugi overall Matugi development, Mother in Pomta Goda habitat.
A person who was said to have been arrested by a combined team of Thobal Police Commando and 26 Assam Rifles was found dead today. Imphal-Thobal Road was blocked following the incident. The incident took place at Lilong Usoi Pokpi Makha Tharauro under Lilong Police Station around 2:30 am. The man has been identified as Abdul Ghaffar Singha alias Said 40, son of Babu Macha Singha from Usoi Pokpi. He was arrested from his residence by the security forces in the early morning and later informed that he was in Jennings morgue. Wife of the deceased, Sarah Banu, said that security forces wearing khaki and camouflage uniform bargained and searched the place around 2 am. They arrested her husband without any warrant.
Makoina thong si kau khai thong hangoi aina thong hangoi karigina thong hang dosen pa ngang leite thong hangoi hena hai thong kau khai ra age yang khai ra age na makoi maning ma si koi tin tin na sigi thong lang ti pangkal kawe adagi dai hange rai hang matung da makoi puasai kai kai loina upu kang thon kari loina thidu e adagi lem lang su makoi na pura ga jat khimi huran khimi leite puasai so dum khara mang bayawe adagi angang sina kap nipam cha chahi tarama thoi ta ngai ba angang ama asi angang asina mana asi angang asina isa se kai nam tawe.
Speaking about the incident, Secretary of Anjuman Maulana Habibullah Pusam said that killing of innocent people without giving any proper reason is highly condemnable. He added that the protest will continue until and unless the guilty security personnel are punished according to the law.
Chaurakna pung ani makhai mukta bagi adwaida 26 AR amadi CDO Thobal combined team laga Lilong Usoi Pokpi Makha da Leiba Muhammad Abdul Ghaffar Eli Said Mahakasi Chaurakna chai nifu muksure mahaki macha mangani lehori basi hairiba miwai asi karigumba maramama phawapi dana yumdagi pharaga pubikhraga hojik si mahak asi hojik siraga Jenims ki casualty da leire haibasi confirm tawre hairiba Phakriba Thodok Amadi, Siraga Ladyba, or Famasi, Tabada, Quaishaunarba Praza Sing, Lady Balaka Sigi, Amadi, Kunganga Sigi, Mioing the Toraga, Jujixi, Makpu Pakriba, 26 ARG, Amadi, Sidio Tobalgi, Babu Parabu Riba, Mioing Ado, Kudakta Faraga than DPBO, Haiba, Kongjang da Quajic Bantoba Hozavani.
The dead body of ex-minister Phungzat Hang Tonsing, who died at Apollo Hospital, New Delhi, will be brought to Imphal on a charter flight tomorrow. Preparations to pay respect to deceased have also begun. Well, it's time now for a short break.
Kidney ki problem nairaba, renal transplant taukraba, amadi sarugi anaba mayok na biriba singna khudong saba sa lawbiho. Manipur gi wang madagi lengbirakpa urology gi doctor Vikas Jain, nephrology doctor Suman Lata Naik, orthopedic doctor Amitnath Mishra. Hairiba Dr. Singh asina Asian Diagnostic Private Limited Nongmaibung near Kusum Olpamda langzagador. OPD gi matam tangkunithoi nungthil gi pung amadagi pung manga phawba. Tangkulhumdoi ayuk ki pung mapandagi nungthil gi pung ama phawba. Diagnostic Center asina Test bagi charge khuding magda 20% fawba discount pizagani.
Welcome back after the break. A one-day state-level political conference organized by Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress was held at Lamyanba Sanglen Konung Mamang, Imphal. Party leaders along with supporters attended the conference. Certificate distribution cum felicitation of newly elected 32 workers of state and district for Bharatiya Modi Army Manipur was held at the Sangai Hall of Hotel Imphal. The event was organized by Bharatiya Modi Army Manipur State. National General Secretary Administration L Rameshwar, National President of ST Cell Adimpanmai, President of BMA Manipur State K Bishwajit and other officials of different units attended the function. Speaking at the function, National General Secretary Administration L Rameshwar said that more workers have been recruited to strengthen the Modi Army and this will help in reaching out the masses. As per the dream of the Prime Minister of India, BMA is going to help and play a major role in winning the upcoming Lok Sabha elections.
Modi Army bu kankal hanaba aikoi aduga lairiba sarkar BJP ki sarkar asina pamiba lakadorba Lok Sabha election da inner amadi outer Manipur da BJP na mai pakko ngamnanaba aikoi na BJP bu sogalaga BJP na tawriba thabak tu da koi na amuk mateng pangjilaga aikoi ki sarkar asi mapung phaba ama oinanaba amadi Shri Narendra Modi ji bu 2019 da Prime Minister oina amuk halangnaba adu aikoi asi organization ji sathon.
Maoist Communist Party Manipur has informed that the party will extend full support to regional forces of any kind in the state. It further stated that the principle of regionalism gives a sense of love for the land and the party pay high respect for rendering such service for the land. On the other hand, the party also stated that Maoists will not extend any help in any tangible way. Rather, they will always stand firm for such regional forces during their difficult times. He further appealed not to attack on regional forces. Ranjita, wife of Wangkhem Kisorchan, who was arrested under the National Security Act and jailed for 1 year, has strongly condemned the arrest of her husband. In an exclusive conversation with the lamjingbatomtv News, Ranjita said that an appeal has been submitted to the High Court of Manipur in consultation with her husband's lawyer, Victor. She further said, until and unless the justice is delivered to her husband, the door of the higher courts will be knocked seated.
We want justice as soon as possible, and we want help from each and every organization to help us out, and the student union is helping to at this situation, doing candlelight and the protest also. But even that also, the government is not allowing to do that.
On the other hand, the lawyer of Kisorchan, Victor, said it is indeed misutilization of Indian Penal Code. Arrest of Kisorchan under the National Security Act is very astonishing. He will go to the higher court for justice of Kisorchan, he asserted.
As of now, we have preferred petitions to the concerned High Court of Manipur yesterday, just to enable us to challenge and thereby quashing the detention order which has been passed against him under the National Security Act. In my opinion, this is a gross and a flagrant violence and infringements over the minimum basic human rights that's very much well enumerated in the Indian Constitution. It's in as much as our case is concerned, this is very much against the right to speech, freedom of speech and expressions, that Article 19 Clause 1, which clearly says unless that incites hatred, community so and so based on religions. But in what manner they portray that the speech given by him, the delivery of his speech that has led him to such punishment.
Chairman of United Tribal Liberation Army, Utla S.K. Thadau, has requested the security force and state government to give proper medical treatment for him and his companions. According to a press statement, his group has surrendered as per the order of the government. However, the statement that Utla is recruiting LTT cadres is completely unfounded. Nambol police has notified that a dead body of about 40-year-old man was found near a culvert on Tidim Road, Malom in the early morning of December 15. The lifeless body has been kept at rim smoke by the police. The body will be disposed of if it remains unclaimed till 1 p.m. of December 22. Some unknown miscreants hurled a hand grenade at the residence of Pradhan of Chinglungkho Gram Panchayat, Mayang Lambam Bilasini, around 10 p.m. last night. However, no one was hurt. Let's take a short break once again.
Second Sheikh Babumacha Memorial 7-a-side Men's Open Football Tournament 2018, sponsored by Sheikh Babumacha Memorial Trust. Venue, Princeton International School Football Ground, Khetri Awang Lekai, Khetrigao, Imphal East, Manipur. Opening ceremony on Saturday 29 December 2018. Chief Guest Mohammad Nur Rahman Sheikh, IFS Consul General of India, Jeddah. Prizes: Champion ₹1 lakh with running trophy. First runners-up, second runners-up, best player, best goalkeeper, golden boot, fair play team, hero of the match. Every match, admission form available for free. Last date of form submission 28 December 2018. Contact number 7629025096 and 9077443233.
Welcome back. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will flag off Train 18, the fastest train from railway stable on December 29, likely from his constituency, Varanasi. The country's first engine-less train will replace Shatabdi trains and will run between Delhi and Varanasi. Train 18, manufactured by ICF Chennai at a cost of ₹100 crore, recently became India's fastest train by hitting speeds of over 180 kilometers per hour during trial run on a section of the Delhi Rajdhani route. According to the tentative plan, the train will start from New Delhi station at 6 a.m. and is expected to reach Varanasi at 2 p.m. For the return journey, the train will start at 2:30 p.m. from Varanasi and reach the national capital at 10:30 p.m. on the same day. Railway Minister Piyush Goyal, impressed with the success of Train 18 during trials, has recently asked ICF to build 4 more similar rakes in the current financial year. A Delhi court today has granted interim bail till January 19 to Rashtriya Janata Dal Chief Lalu Prasad in 2 Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation IRTC scam cases filed by the CBI, and the ED Special Judge Arun Bhardwaj granted relief to Prasad after he was produced before the court through video conference from a Ranchi jail, where he is lost in another case. He was unable to come due to health reasons. The court had earlier granted regular bail to Prasad's wife Rabri Devi and son Tejasvi Yadav in the CBI case, while they are on interim bail in the ED matter, which was extended till January 19, the date of hearing. Former Congress leader and accused in the 1984 anti-Sikh riots, Sajan Kumar has moved an application before the Delhi High Court seeking 30 days to surrender. The court is likely to hear the application tomorrow. Kumar, 73, is a former MP from Outer Delhi. Last week, the Delhi High Court reversed his acquittal in another anti-Sikh riots case, and he was sentenced to life in jail. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express plans on to ease traffic congestion in Imphal City. Traffic roundel set to be redesigned, surveyed. AICC comes to town with cry against Rafale deal. NESO takes protest against CAB to Delhi. The People's Chronicle, screening of 5 NCDs at all district health and wellness centers. UCM says no separate land for Kuki, Naga, Meitei. PWD plans footbridges traffic rotary-free intersection. The Morning Bell, Supreme Court verdict on Rafale deal not a clean chit to BJP, Congress. Manipur Rifles 2016 batch candidates set December 26 as deadline for results. State to join employee strike on January 8 and 9. NESO protests against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 in Delhi. Imphal Free Press, High Court warns Jhalajit's counsel against abstention in Sanjit case. Kishore Chandra files petition before High Court challenging his detention under NSA. Veteran state leader Phunjathang no more. President's rule imposed after governor's rule expires in Jammu and Kashmir.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Winter session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly introduces 2 bills. The state government making best possible efforts for better infrastructure in state, says Minister Bishwajit. And local clubs play important role in shaping good society, says Health Minister L Jayantakumar. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.